Solar energy begins with the sun. Solar panels are used to convert light from the sun, which is composed of particles of energy called photons, into electricity that can be used to power electrical load. In more advanced words, the sun emits light energy. Solar panels collect clean renewable energy in the form of sunlight and convert that light into electricity, which can then be used to provide power for electrical loads. Solar panels are comprised of several individual solar cells, which are themselves composed of layers of silicon, phosphorus, which provides the negative charge, and boron, which provides the positive charge. Solar panels absorb the photons and, in doing so, initiate an electric current. The resulting energy generated from the photons striking the surface of the solar panel allows electrons to be knocked out of the atomic orbits and released into the electric field generated by the solar cells, which would then pull these free electrons into a directional current. This entire process is known as the photovoltaic effect. There are several advantages of solar panel. It can be used as main power source or backup. It is clean and renewable source of energy. It has no moving parts and requires little maintenance. The power produced during its lifetime span is absolutely free. There are also disadvantages to the solar panel, which are high initial cost, location and sunlight availability, expensive energy storage, and its total energy reliability to sunlight. Now is the comparison between LED and light bulb. In terms of brightness, LED has a higher brightness than the light bulb. In terms of power consumption, LED consumes less wattage than the light bulb to function. In terms of cost, LED has a slightly higher value of cost than the light bulb. There are a few hazards when installing crossing light, which are high voltage wiring, height, and vehicles passing the road. For high voltage wiring, installer must work in risk with high electricity. For height, the solar panel must be above the traffic light, so the installer needs to work with the risk of falling down. For the vehicles passing the road will not have access to traffic light, which might lead to accidents. There are several ways of preventing hazards when installing crossing lights, which are wear suitable equipment, use suitable equipment, and notify road users about work ahead. For wear suitable equipment, the installer must wear durable gloves suitable when handling electricity. The second one is check the ladder and wear suitable gripping boots when working with heights to avoid falling down. About notifying the road users, they must place a board stating the road is closed due to maintenance so drivers can avoid accidents.
Based on the coding that is made for this traffic light system project, the input required the system to function when the person push the button at the waiting area. The traffic light from the car side will turn from green to red for 2 seconds, and the LED at pedestrian will turn to green from red to allow the pedestrian to cross the road for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds ends, the LED will blink 8 times. At the pedestrian light before, the traffic light will turn into green back to make the car move again. As we can see, the pedestrian light is blinking to signal the car to get ready. This process will repeat again and again.